What's up everyone? It's Jason Fleagle here, and in this video I'm going to be doing a full unboxing and review of the Epomaker Galaxy 68 mechanical keyboard. So I have been really impressed with this keyboard. It has some great weight to it with the aluminum shell, the chassis here, really powerful mechanical switches, so it has a great sound and a sound test that I'm going to be sharing with you all. I'm going to walk through unboxing and setting this up and doing a few quick tests, but overall really powerful keyboard. So let's go ahead and jump into it.
Please like and subscribe to our channel.
Alright, so let's go ahead and do the unboxing for the Epomaker Galaxy 68 here. So this is a 67 key keyboard with a knob here on it, 65% aluminum hot swap, gasket tri-mode mechanical keyboard. So 65% layout, GMK via programmable anodized aluminum shell. So it does have a little bit of a weight to it, which is great. And then you have triple mode capabilities, wireless or wired capabilities, and there are customizable RGB backlights. Alright, so here we have the keyboard. So very cool black and white color version here, which is great, and it definitely has a good weight to it. I mean, this is not going to be moving. I'm moving my desk here and just pushing back and forth, and the keyboard is not moving. So yeah, definitely good weight to it as well. And yeah, I like the key placement. I'll do a full sound test here in a little bit, but you can see good sound with the keys coming out as well. So on the backhand side here, we have the 65% hot swap. Battery capacity is 3,000 milliamps, 5 volt for the voltage here. Now on the switches, you have on and off capabilities here, or you can do the wired USB-C version as well. Now the rest of the things in the box here, we have of course the little menu, little start guide that was included here with the keyboard, so I'll share a little bit more. And then here is, I would imagine, the power cable. So it looks like we have a few of the mechanical switches, and then we have the power cable, and we have a switch puller and a keycap remover. So let me go ahead and hook this up here so you guys can take a look at it. So here you see, the RGB backlighting with the different colors coming through. I really like this with kind of the breathing mode here, or going left to right mode here with the full color version of the logo shining through. And again, you have the knob control here to control the volume. But yeah, really cool keyboard here, and I like the key press. It's very satisfying key press capabilities. So yeah, going through the start guide here, we have the different function key combinations. So you can reset the keyboard to factory setting. You can hold it to pair to the different Bluetooth devices here. So holding the function key with the Q, W, or E for the 3 different types of Bluetooth devices. You can toggle the 2.4 gigahertz wireless connection as well, and you can change it to Windows mode or Mac mode, which is great because I am using a Mac, so there's some good keyboard shortcuts here. You can check the battery. There's also backlight here capabilities, so which is great. So if I wanted to toggle the backlight color, I can hold function and the backslash to toggle the color, or I can toggle the backlight effect with function and enter. So let's go ahead and do that. So some really cool RGB functions with the changing the colors and the different speed of things. Now, if you are a fan of function keys for Windows or Macs, there's also some good function keys here. Some good information on pairing the Bluetooth device or via a 2.4 gigahertz connection as well. If you want to do a device firmware update mode, there is information there. Also some information on VIA and how to use that, which is really good. And also has some good information on, how to remove the switches if you want to do the hot swapping with other switches in there as well. I'm going to do a sound test for you here so you guys can hear the beautiful sound of the Epomaker Galaxy68. There you go. That was my full unboxing and short review of the Galaxy 68 from Epomaker. So highly recommend checking out the keyboard. There's going to be a link down in the video description if you're interested in checking out this mechanical keyboard. Also, if you have any questions about this keyboard or another test, that you want me to run with this, please let me know. I'd love to do another test, kind of unpacking more. I've done quite a few keyboard reviews for Epomaker keyboards, so would love to do another review for whatever you guys want to see more of. If you haven't already liked and subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so so you don't miss other upcoming videos that I've got going on. Really appreciate you taking the time to be here with me today. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to keep moving forward, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.